Experiencing issues with your T-Mobile hotspot? It usually boils down to three key settings: APN, IP, and DNS. The APN, or access point name, is how your hotspot connects to T-Mobile's network. A misconfigured APN prevents data access. IP address conflicts, where your hotspot shares an address with another device, can also cause connection drops. Finally, DNS, or domain name system, translates website names into IP addresses. If your DNS is slow or fails, websites won't load. We'll show you how to troubleshoot these issues to get back online. First, manually set your APN to fast.tmobile.com. This is the most common fix. Next, reset your hotspot via the T-Mobile app or its web portal to refresh your IP and DNS settings. If problems persist, switch to a public DNS like Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 in your hotspot's network settings. For IP conflicts, access the hotspot's admin panel, often at 192.1state.1, and renew the IP address. By managing these settings, you can resolve most T-Mobile hotspot connectivity problems.